How did you attract or address your target audience? On the front cover of my magazine, I followed typical conventions portrayed on the front cover of hip-hop magazines. I believe this is because of the mise-en-scène used and also the camera shot. Because Dulcie is looking straight at the camera, it speaks to the reader more by using synthetic personalisation and will hopefully draw the reader in as soon as they see it. Like many other hip-hop music magazines, I added a footer to single out a question which was one of the main features of the magazine and would be attractive to the reader if it was made attention to. I already used known artists on the cover, as this would also attract the audience's attention as they would be interested. On the contents page, I use a header and footer just to emphasise certain points of the page. I also only used one male in a stereotypical pose to focus the attention of that part of the magazine onto him, as he was not featured or mentioned on the cover.